ulit. Love ka.
Oh, happy birthday, Gab. Happy 21st birthday. Lagi kang mag-iingat, magdadasal ka palagi. Tapusin mo ang pag-aaral mo at tulungan mo ang magulang mo. Siyempre, huwag mo kakalimutan yan, okay? Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Nandito lang kami palagi. Peace, yo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Gab! Wish you all the best and konti na lang matutupad na yung pangarap mo and make your mama proud. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Kuya Gab!
First birthday, Gab. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Unti na lang gagraduate ka na, matutupad mo yung pangarap mo. Malay mo, susunod, maging kapitan ka pa. Make your parents proud. Always remember na nandito lang kami palagi mga titas and titas mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Kuya Gab! Happy birthday! Happy 21st birthday, Gab. You've reached an age of endless possibilities. Embrace the journey and make this year incredible. Welcome to adulthood. May your 21st year be filled with success, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Happy birthday! We love you! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Gab. Happy birthday to you. We love you. Happy.
Happy birthday, Opa! May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. I love you, Gabriel.
Birthday, Kuya Gab. Birthday, Kuya Gab.
Happy 21st birthday! Tubarin mo lahat ng pangarap mo.
Kuya Gab.
Happy birthday, Gab!